Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, which of the following number is smaller than 61,300,3,126 and larger than 61,300,3,066? Okay. Here, firstly, from the given options, we can observe that option B, option C and option D are smaller than 61,300,3,126. That is, option B means 61,300, 3,086. C means 61,300, 1,086. And 61,300, 2,886. These three numbers are less than 61303126. Okay. So we have a choice within these three options only for the larger than 61,300, 3,066. Now, from these three options now, only option B, we can observe here, only option B is larger than 61,300, 3,066. That is, option B means 3066 is larger, means this given number is less than 61303086. Hence, we can write the numbers like that: 61303066 is less than 61,300, 3,086 is less than 61,300, 3,126. That is our correct option is option B.